Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add apps to your Samsung Smart TV so you can access all your favorite streaming services, games, and utilities easily. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and make sure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A reliable internet connection is essential for smooth app downloads and streaming. Step 2. Press the Home button on your Samsung TV remote to go to the Smart Hub or main menu. This is where you can access apps and the App Store. Step 3. Navigate to the Apps section in the Smart Hub. Here, you will find the Samsung App Store with all available apps for your TV. Step 4. Use the search function or browse categories to find the app you want to install. For example, type Netflix, Disney Plus, or YouTube using the on-screen keyboard. Step 5. Select the official app from the search results to ensure you're downloading the correct version. Step 6. Click on Install or Add to Home to download the app to your Samsung Smart TV. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 7. Once installed, return to your TV home screen. You will see the new app icon in your list of apps. Step 8. Open the app by selecting it. You may need to sign in with your account credentials for streaming services. If you don't have an account yet, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Step 9. For easier access in the future, move the app to a convenient location on your home screen by highlighting it, pressing the Options button, and selecting Move. That's it! Your new app is now installed on your Samsung Smart TV, and you're ready to enjoy hours of entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.